how to like a note on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to like a note on Instagram. And if you are unable to currently do this, I'll show you some steps that'll hopefully give you the ability to like notes on Instagram. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So on a test account here, I'm just going to leave a quick note so that I can like it on my main account, Gauging Gadgets on Instagram. So to like a note, all you need to do is first select the messages icon in the top right of Instagram. And then from here, you'll see the note at the top. All you need to do is double tap it and it'll add a heart to it. And you have now liked that note. To view if anyone has liked your notes on Instagram, simply navigate to your messages, select your note, and then it will show you the list of people who liked your note. Now, for some reason, you're unable to like notes on Instagram. What I recommend doing is updating the Instagram app. And you can easily do that on both Android and iPhone by simply opening up your respective app store, either the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, and then search and open up Instagram. Once you've navigated to Instagram, rather than saying open, it'll say update. Select update to install the update. And then after that, you should be able to like notes on Instagram. If you're still unable to like notes on Instagram, I recommend uninstalling Instagram and then reinstalling it on your phone, and you should be able to like it after that. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.